Lights, camera, action. Hey everybody, May 20th, 2023. I'm doing an Etsy restock. Ooh, I got too excited singing for you. Now I got my gravelly voice going on. Hey whippersnappers out there in listening land, how are you? My question of the day made me laugh. What makes you laugh uncontrollably? 何が笑わせることですか？絶対笑うことなんですか？ Oh my gosh, this is terrible, but like the movie The Nutty Professor makes me laugh uncontrollably and I don't even know why. Well, you know what makes me laugh uncontrollably if you've hung out here for a few videos. I can't go there. I mean, if you want to private message me, the other question on this card, it says, if someone were spying on you, what embarrassing fact would they discover? I don't know. I think I'm an open book. I don't think they'd discover much. That's the good thing. If you got nothing, if you got no secrets, you got nothing to lose. Alright. Oh, look at this, you guys! I'm gonna sing a song. It's a Golden Bomber song. It's really easy, and it's good for your Japanese. I'll link it. Omedetou, omedetou, hontou ni, omedetou. It's kind of like congratulations. Congratulations to me. Okay, let me show you what I practiced at Target. It's my box slaying slasher skills. Got my little razor. Go down there. Don't go too deep and nick the meat. Man, I used to do this fast, man. I never hurt myself either. Sometimes my nails would break, but that's about it. I'm just being careful because I know this is my merch. This is my Etsy restock. I don't even know what's in here, you guys. This is gonna be a surprise for me. What's in here? I see stickers. Man, like, this is a miracle, you guys. I'm so sick. I think I had the flu. But like I don't get it. Like, I feel like crap, but my skin looks great. Oh my gosh, I miss my bird so much. He got a new home in Redmond. Oh my gosh, you guys. I have my work cut out for me. Oh my gosh! Omedetou, omedetou, hontou ni, omedetou. Look, it's a little bird. They're all dressed up like little pet birds. I haven't been keeping so many for my personal collection recently, but I might have to keep this one. Oh my gosh, what else? Yeah, I'm surprised I'm okay. Like after dinner, I didn't feel so good. Like I was having a little flare up. Like my whole side felt numb. Chronic illness. Like my side feels numb, but I'm fine. Nothing I haven't survived before. Look! Oh my gosh! That's so cute. I can feel my hand again. So it passed. I think I was just feeling really full after dinner. Oh my gosh, what? It's a cockatiel. Wakame inko. What else is that? This is gonna be huge, you guys. Oh my goodness. Rainbow gemstone. Ribbons. Loves it. It got delivered by a cute little delivery boy. I said hello, and he said hello back. In America, I don't know about where you guys live, but in my neighborhood, they kind of sling it on the porch, and they ring the bell, and they run away. There's a few legit delivery guys that got it right. They take pride in their work. Oh, look at that squirrel! Sentimental circus. Squirrels. Look. These are so special, you guys. Oh. Well, this is something we've stocked before. It's the royal tea time. So, funny story. Today, I had my normal Saturday class, and I was supposed to go out with my OG first time ever host families. That when I came to Japan for the first time, I lived with them. But I got it wrong. She said, oh, let's plan for a Saturday in June, but my mom brain read it as, let's plan it for, like, Saturday. I get all ready to go, like, I'm all dressed up, and then, like, oops. And then I had to figure out what to do for dinner. And I was like, oh, crap, I was really depending on eating tonight. Gemstone. And there's that ribbon one again. I have to sort it all. This is going to be interesting. I don't have the same equipment that I do back left at my Oregon office. Oh my goodness! Booty, 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 booty. Mirakuma. Speaking of booties. Excuse me. Look. So much fun, right? Ah, there's that one again. Oh, Medito. Oh, Medito. Hontoni. Oh, Medito. Oh, Medito. That one I already showed you. Yeah, now's the fun. Now's the fun part. Oh, excuse me. Excuse. Lights, camera, action. May 20th. Etsy Restock. And this is part 2. I don't think I'm gonna do a retake, but the doorbell rang. So I had to say hello. What else is going on? Okay, I already showed you this one. I would sort them before, but then you wouldn't get my first impression. Like that. Like, if I saw it before, then you wouldn't know how I feel about it. Oh, look at that. Jinbei. I haven't been able to get, like, new Jinbei for a long time. Jinbei-san. Oh my gosh. It's a cafe with a little shrimp. She's taking orders. Look. Oh, that's my favorite. Melon soda. Speaking of laughing uncontrollably. Oh my gosh, my sinus condition. I need the spray. Jelly rainbow. What else is going on here? This is a big box. Look at that. So cute, right? Okay. Look at that. This is just kind of a simple Nirakuma glittery holographic one. Oh my gosh, what is this? What is this? It is Sentimental Circus. So they're doing a dark academia. That's so fun. Let me see. Oh, Okay, well, if you missed out on this in Oregon, it's back. Kuma baby. I showed that a couple on the pack with me's. I'm looking for non-duplicates. This one is more of the crinkle paper style one. Y'all, this is gonna take me a while. I got meetings up the wazoo. Oh, this is the theme park one. See, there's a little castle and they're getting in their little tourist mode on. Oh, yay! Like here's the other colorway for the juicy parfait theme park world. Oh my gosh, what even is this? What? Oh, Sumikko, everybody get together. I thought it was travel. Maybe they're kind of traveling, and then it's got all these little alphabets. That's kind of fun. This one would be really fun to gift to my students, actually. If I could gift it to everybody, I would, but I can't live on air. So I got some more in the theme park. Oh! Sumikko Garashi Park. Oh, this is one I've carried before. It's they go to the mole's home and they all got gemstones and stuff. And that's that one. I already showed that one. Yeah, and some of these are starting to double up and be duplicates. Oh, yay! Music. Look, oh my gosh. Oh, the birdie. The birdie's on the drums. I guess that's what I'm feeling. Maracas. Those are my two favorite, I guess. Drums and maracas. Percussion. I need some. That'd be great. Stress relief. Oh. Look at that. Nina Kuma in the sky with diamonds. Oh, and then we got kind of a celestial jinbei son. What else is going on here? I got some sentimental. Oh wow, that's really pretty. We got kind of a dreamy, rainy sentimental. Sorry if this is fast. There's a lot of ground. And there's this like really pretty flowery one. You wait until I get the photos up. It's really pretty. This cam doesn't do it justice. And then this really pretty raindrop one. Alright, and I think that covers the stickers. I got more stickers coming too. I got flakes coming. I got cameos, some like non-character, more generic kind of feeling stuff coming. Oh yes, it's the little birdie. It's the little birdie one. My daughter's gonna love this. We'll definitely keep one of those because we love birdies. What else is in here? Oh yeah. We got a lot of the birdies to go around. Well, you know what? I use these to do little English lessons for my Instagram. I write down the notes and I post it. It looks really cute. And it's like, I want everybody to enjoy. There's no stationery like Japanese stationery. Like my student was all shocked. I said, "This is made in Japan, you know. I only buy the good stuff." Oh my gosh, the little tabbies, they're here. I might have to keep one of these for myself. Very cool. Almost there, you guys. Thanks for bearing with me. What is this? Did this just get thrown in for free, or is this something my husband thought we should have? Jinbei-san. It's a little towel. I tried to do these, but I couldn't really figure out how to market them. I don't feel like they belong on Etsy because they're not really a tool to make anything. Like the stickers and the tabs and stuff, yeah, maybe, but towels is kind of pushing it. What the heck? Oh my gosh, I saw this at Loft. Look at it. It's a cat dressed up like a cockatiel. the little furry detail. I don't mind those little furry details. Let's see. Okay. Yes. Okay, so there's more of the cafe. Bonita Kuma Swan. Yes. Oh wait, this takes me to a video. Yeah, I'll keep this so it'll remind me to show you guys a music video. The swan like everybody get together. Look at them, they're all katamari. A big pile up. Fruits. What? Little fairies, you guys. What? Tonkatsu King. Look at him. It's all junk food. French fries, fried cutlet kings. Junk food. I go for the fruit. But yeah, like the best way to have junk food these days is just pictures of it that look funny. Need a Kuma baby. This came out like around Christmas time, and I was scared I wouldn't be able to find any, but look, we got a little bit. And then the Sumikko Tapioca Park. You'll see. If you know Sanex, you know about the Tapioca Park, I'm sure. Okay, my friends, that was it. Thank you for sticking through it. If you made it this far, again, the question today is, what makes you laugh uncontrollably? If someone were spying on you, what embarrassing fact would they discover? All right.